Hi guys, welcome to my channel again, All Things Arshi. Today I want to share very nice and beautiful mehndi designs. So please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notification of my new videos on time. As you know guys, wedding season is starting and we girls need new mehndi designs. So by watching my video you will be get many new and beautiful mehndi designs. These are very beautiful, unique and trendy mehndi designs. Latest mehndi designs in my video you will find. Watch the video till end. You could like any mehndi design, take a screenshot of your favorite design. It will be easy to apply mehndi on your hand.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you